Netflix password sharing, things that you need to know. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of the things that we need to know about Netflix password sharing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you've been thinking about sharing your password with Netflix, well, let me tell you that Netflix terms of service only allows password sharing between members of a single household. Netflix uses a combination of IP addresses, device IDs, and account activity to detect password sharing. In May 2023, Netflix announced that it will no longer tolerate password sharing between multiple households, and Netflix may ask users to verify a device by entering a 4-digit verification code sent to the account holder. Netflix does not charge for extra password for extra fees sharing within a household. However, sharing a password with someone outside of the household costs the account owner $8 per extra person in addition to their existing Netflix plan. Standard Netflix plans allows 1 extra person, while premium plan allows up to 2. And Netflix still have ways of knowing if you are still sharing your account with someone outside of your household. That's because the streaming service collects a lot of data about you, including what you watch, where you watch it, the location of your home, and device IDs. This way you'll be able to figure out the Netflix password sharing. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.